and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Nashville. The time's currently 9:10. I need to leave at 10 o'clock and I have only just woken up. I am not packed and I am not ready to leave. So let's go. First let's just pack my bag. I don't really know what to bring. It's currently showing as -8 degrees in Nashville. So I packed some thermal leggings from Primark, which absolutely everyone needs. 2 basic long sleeve black tops. And then this is my little cabin crew hack from Primark. It's literally just a thermal fleece. As you know, we can't bring the biggest suitcases with us, the most amount of luggage, so we can't bring like a ski suit for this weather. So it's all about layering. So I always put a thermal jumper, which is like I think £6 from Primark, under a big jumper, and that way it does actually keep you really warm. A pair of blue mum jeans. So now if everyone goes out then it's like everyone wears denim, but I'm not wearing a mini denim skirt in this weather, absolutely not. And just a basic knitted jacket. So I've just got changed and I've got 15 minutes till I need to walk out my house. I think I'm going to do my hair and I won't have enough time to do my makeup, but that's okay. She's going to look like a rough girl, but that's fine. So I've arrived at the car park now and I am feeling rather excited for this trip because I've never been to Nashville before. I definitely want to go down the strip, find some cowboy boot shops, see the bars where people line dance. It is rather cold though, so if I don't get to do it this week, then I do have another Nashville in a week's time, so I can always just go then. So we've just arrived at the hotel. We arrived at 6:10 and in typical cruise style we plan on leaving at 6:30. So I've just put on a pair of jeans and a black bodysuit, and I'm gonna try and glamorize myself a little bit. Oh my god, look how static. We've arrived into Nashville in a bit of a snowstorm. It's supposed to start snowing at 4 AM tomorrow and stop snowing at 4 AM on Saturday. Our flight home is tomorrow, but we find out at 10 PM tonight if the flight's been cancelled. So let's just pray. I need to get home. I've got plans for my brother's birthday. Okay, so this is like my 5-minute makeup. We need to head out downstairs now. It's 26 and I'm meeting everyone at past. So I will see you in a little bit. I'm now back from our little night out at the country clubs. As we expected, our flight home was cancelled because there's a snowstorm starting at 4 AM tomorrow, which is Friday, and it isn't finishing till 4 AM on Saturday, which now means we're not flying home till Saturday and we're going to be landing back on Sunday a day late, which is a bit of a disaster because I do have plans on Saturday night, or should I say did. It's my brother's birthday celebration. Good morning from a very snowy Nashville. So it was supposed to forecast to start snowing at 4 AM, but it didn't actually start until 6:30. The time is now 7 o'clock. And as we can see, it is quite like thick, heavy snow. So it's currently 8:30 and I think I'm gonna head to a local shop, which is like a 10-minute walk away, because it is thick snow and there is nothing else open. And if I'm gonna be stuck in my hotel room all day, I need snacks, I need something to drink. The only shoes I packed for this trip were either my Uggs or my running trainers, and I definitely don't want to be risking my Uggs in snow. So I think it's going to be these. They're definitely not the most fashionable ones and they're definitely not the cleanest. So I'm back from Publix now, and to be honest, it wasn't even that cold, and the snow was snowy, but it wasn't actually that bad. I did buy a few snacks. I brought this hummus, like the everything bagel hummus. How good does that sound? Then I picked up some more Crystal Light flavours in some like peach tea, which I love, iced lemon tea. And then one thing in America, they want you to eat healthy, but the healthy food are so expensive. I literally brought this little like free fruit bowl, like grapes and strawberries, so that was $7. I don't know, is that good? Is that expensive? I feel like in Tesco's it's probably like £4 or £5. So it's 2 p.m. now and it's been snowing all the way through from 6 a.m. this morning, and it's definitely getting heavier. I think I'm just going to sit and rot in bed for the rest of the day and catch up on some work to do in my little travel agency business. So it's just gone 6 p.m. and it's actually just stopped snowing for the first time today, but the snow is still super thick around Palms. So one of the passengers on the flight over here actually got all the crew and the pilots a little goodie bag each. So let's open it and see what's in here. So the first thing is a face mask. Then we also have a Neutrogena lip balm. Then another thing is a vanilla hand cream, some Smints, a Freddo, I love a Freddo. And we also have the Cheeky Panda bamboo hand wipes. And then we also got Starbucks gift cards, and she's put $10 on each of them for the crew. And bearing in mind we had 9 crew and 3 pilots, so we're very grateful. Good morning, the time is currently 9 a.m. and I'm gonna head out for a quick walk. I might pop into a little cowboy boot shop. The snow has stopped snowing and it's safe to say our plane is on the way, so we will be going home. We're getting picked up just after 3 o'clock. eyebrow pencil literally just flew out. What? Good morning from a very frosty London. I've had to put my coat and my mittens on in my car because it's so cold. I'm going to finish today's vlog here. On to the next one next week where we are going to Nashville again. Hopefully this time the flight won't get cancelled.